This is May 6th, 2025, and we're in Hatteras, North Carolina. You can see where we are, the great Atlantic Ocean. You can hear her, and you can see her, and see the all of nature, the creation of God, the ecosystem that we can't exist in, and its inhabitants can't exist up here on earth with us. But the power of the ocean, how she functions, and the mystery of the number of lives have been lost on the North Carolina coast due to the shoals, shifting sandbanks, and all of the things historically. And you can learn more about that in the Atlantic Graveyard Museum behind me. But that's just something about this creation of God, this powerful world in front of me, that just takes away a lot of my worries about human relationships when I'm learning about the ocean and ocean ships. Michael L. Dublin Sr.